everyone, welcome back. Hope all my beautiful people are doing okay. I'm getting ready to do my makeup. This is a get ready with me. I am attempting to do the doe eye and the siren eyes. It's a eye makeup you do over your eyelids that is really cute. And I have my makeup bag down here. But first, I don't think I'm going to use foundation today because I'm just going to the grocery store. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. I think I'm just going to go in with my powder. And I did put lotion on my face, or moisturize my face. I'm going to put a little more. It's been raining all day, so I don't need to put sunscreen on my face. The sun is not out. It's been a rainy day. And I'm going to attempt to do this on camera. The siren eye is a TikTok trend. It's trending right now. But I'm just going in with this right here in beige. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows and attempt the siren eyes. This is supposed to, and I've already scrunched my hair a little. Seriously thinking about cutting it all off. I may have to look this way. There's a big mirror in front of me. It's really hard to look at the camera. I just really don't see the need in foundation because I'm doing a pamper routine tonight. And I'm going to have to take all this off. But I don't think I've showed this. Or I haven't attempted this yet, but I haven't showed an updated eyebrows. How to do my eyebrows either. The last makeup routine I did was the 10-minute makeup challenge, but it got copyright because some of the music that I had used on there. I also like to put this on my face during the day. I need more. Okay, so I like to go in with this right here. I'm not sure. This might have came from Five Below, but I'm not sure. And I need a plug right there. But you do this. And it gives it that wet look. Or you can use a bar soap. And then you brush. This is a brow pencil. But it has a brush on it. And I like to brush my brows like this. They're pretty thick and it gives it that wet look, but I do need to pluck them. I'm not sure if you guys can see good or not, but I brush them like that. I'm gonna find my tweezers. Okay, I found my tweezers. So, we're attempting the doe eyes. And actually, when I'm not using my tweezers, I use this. It's a lot easier to do. Also use it here, and sometimes I do my whole face. But I have this beautiful eyeshadow that I got on clearance at Walmart with the glitter. And for the siren eyes, I'm going to just add a little bit. And then you're supposed to take your eyeliner and go here with it. So I have liquid eyeliner and I have the pencil. And then it'll look really good once I have the mascara on. So I have this pencil. I have liquid. I have this one in black. I have liquid eyeliner. And then I have this one that I really like to put on my bottom lid like this. I love using this on my eyes, and I will do a concealer here sometimes, but I love to do an eyeliner here That's how I do eyeliner. And I'm obsessed. I love makeup. I just don't wear it often. But I do need to start wearing it a lot more. And so I think I'm going to take this one. And for Siren Eyes, I know this is going to be hard to do on camera, but this is an attempt. You get on your top lid. Wait, let me make sure that's, okay, yeah. I feel like the liquid would work better. And then you go over. And then I'm gonna take my white eyeliner, and I'm gonna go over the top. Now with doe eyes, and then you do your mascara. Doe eyes is just it makes your eyes look wide open. And I was gonna show you guys on the other eyelid how to do doe eyes. It's trending as well as Siren Eyes. Every time I put mascara on, that happens. It gets on the inside of my eye, which not every time, but trying to do this on camera is hard. So basically, you just want to make your eye look wide. And you can go over the top with a white eyeliner. And then I'm going to take my, I like to use my highlighter as an eyeshadow sometimes. I feel like it's cute because I love glittery, this is bronzer, but I love our highlighter eyeshadows. And the doe eyes is like a wide-eyed look. But yeah, that's my Siren Eyes doe eyes look. I hope you guys liked. And let's not forget some lip gloss. This is so pretty. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. I forgot to put mascara on this side. Let's do that real quick. And that's my Siren Eyes look. Yay! Why did you say you're not